let us continue with the integration by parts. Suppose there is a question, integration x square e to the power x. So by seeing we can say that x square is the first function and e to the power x is the second function, and since x square is there, after the first by parts x will be coming, and after the second by parts we are getting the x. Just normal integration. It's another, we have to do that twice by parts, integration by parts twice. For example, for this sum, so u integration of e to the power x dx minus derivative of x square integration of e to the power x on total result once more integration. Therefore, I can say here x square e to the power x is e to the power x minus x square is 2x, e to the power x is e to the power x on total result. So, from x square it is reduced to x, and now it is x e to the power x, once again another by parts. So, in this another by parts, once again like that, x is the first function, e to the power x second function. So, x square e to the power x minus 2. So, what we'll do? Once again, u integration of e to the power x minus derivative of x integration of e to the power x dx on total dx. So in this case, we can see here that dx by dx is 1 and e to the power x the derivative e to the power x. Okay. So x square e to the power x minus 2 x e to the power x, and this minus it will be coming to be plus. So I am getting here plus dx by dx is 1 and e to the power x integration is e to the power x, and so we are getting another one's integration. So x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x plus e to the power x plus. One more example. So everyone remember another example I am showing you, where suppose this in this sum, let's make like this, integration log of root x whole square. Log means ln. In mathematics, log is used as well as ln is used. So what we'll do here? First of all, first simplification, then integration. So we'll do like this. Half log x power is coming out whole square dx, because we know that log of x to the power m equal to m log x, power is coming outside. Now I can do like this, 1/4 log x whole square, same thing, we have to multiply with the 1, and in LIATE 1 is considered to be the log is considered to be the first function, and 1 means algebraic function which is considered to be the second function. Therefore, I can say here 1/4 outside. U, by seeing this, by seeing the sum, we can say that log x whole square, once it will be differentiated as the first function, that is log x. Once again, log x ka derivative, or once again we have to do the by parts. Okay, so log x whole square into dx ka integration x minus, okay, I am writing in detail, derivative of log x whole square integration of 1 dx on total result once more integration, and derivative of log x whole square, that is 2 log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x, right? So I can say here that 1/4 log x whole square, that is dx ka integration x minus 2 log x into 1 by x, dx ka integration x on total dx. Once again, we have done it the beginning. that the integration of the log x. Therefore, x by 4 log x whole square minus 2 log x. So, what we have to do? We have to take once again we have to take 1 u into v. So, once again that u is the first function, log x is the first function, and 1 is the second function by IILAP rule. So, I can write here x by 4 log x whole square minus 2 uv formula, u integration of v minus derivative of log x integration of 1 dx on total dx. I can write, therefore here it is coming x by 4 log x whole square minus 2, here it is coming x into log x, x cube yx, because the integration of dx is x. Now माइनस माइनस प्लस 2, यहाँ पे देखो log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x, this is 1 by x into x, they are getting cancelled, so we are getting here 1 by x into dx integration x, and they are getting also cancelled here, and we are getting x by 4 log x whole square minus 2x log x plus 2 plus c.